we know that Abir loves cookies, and one day his grandmother prepared a lot of cookies for him, and he was given this task of storing the cookies in these jars named ones, tens, and hundreds. Now we have seen that the ones jar can hold only single cookies, and it can have a maximum of 9 cookies. So it can have 9 single cookies. It cannot hold more than 9 cookies. As soon as we put the 10th cookie, they form a pile and go to the tens jar. Even the tens jar can hold 9 piles of 10 cookies. So 9 tens is the maximum that can fit in this jar. Now what about the hundreds jar? So hundreds jar stores cookies in groups of 100. And what is the maximum number that it will be able to hold? Let's see. So now Abir sees that there is one more jar to the left of hundreds jar. This jar is named as the thousands jar. So this jar is named as the thousands jar. Now let us see what happens. So over here, how many cookies are here? This jar has 9 single cookies or 9 ones. This jar has 9 piles of 10 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 piles of 10 cookies. So 9 tens. And this jar has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 groups of 100 cookies. So 9 hundreds. And we know that in total there are 999 cookies, because 9 hundreds plus 9 tens plus 9 ones give us 999. So this 9 in the hundreds place is for 900. This 9 in the tens place is for 9 tens or 90. And this 9 with single cookies is for 9. Now, after 999, what if I put one more cookie in the ones jar? What happens next? Let's see. As soon as I drop one cookie in the ones jar, they form a pile and jump to the tens jar. Now once again, these 10 piles come together. They go to the hundreds jar, and the 10 groups from the hundreds jar, they form a stack and they move to the thousands jar. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 groups containing 100 cookies. Now, just like ones and tens jar, even the hundreds jar can have a maximum of 9 such groups. So, a maximum of 9 such groups. As soon as the 10th group was added, they formed a stack and went to the jar on the left, which is the thousands jar. And how many such stacks we can see? 1. So we have 1 stack over here. So this stands for 1 thousands. This stands for 1,000. And 1,000 is 1,000. 1 and 3 zeros. And there are 0 hundreds, 0 tens and 0 ones. So this is how we can have 1,000 cookies. So this is how we can write the number 1,000 with 0 in the ones place, 0 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, and 1 in the thousands place. So this is what is the place value of numbers. So the place value of this one is 1,000. Now what if I put a single cookie in the thousands jar? It will fly and go away to the ones jar. So the thousands jar cannot hold single cookies, just like the hundreds and tens jar. Thousands jar can hold only stacks of 1,000 cookies. So single cookies go to the ones jar. And what do we have here? Over here, I have 1 stack of 1000, 0 groups of 100, no cookies in the tens jar, so 0 tens, and 1 cookie in the ones jar. So I have 1, 0, 0, 1. So I have 1001 cookies here, which is what we saw, 1000 and one more, 1001. So this one is 1000s, 0 hundreds, 0 tens and 1 ones. So over here we have 1 in the thousands place, 9 in the tens place, and another 9 in the ones place, whereas the hundreds jar is empty. So 1099 cookies. Now if I add one more cookie to the ones jar, they form a pile of 10 and go to the tens jar, and these 10 form a group of 100 and move to the hundreds jar. So this is what we have. 1 stack of 1000 cookies and 1 group of hundreds, no tens, no ones. So there are 1100 cookies. So this one is in the thousands place. It stands for 1000. This one is in the hundreds place. It stands for 100. So writing digits in different places gives them different values. So now can you tell me how many cookies are here? So there is just 1 stack of thousands. So 1000s, 1 group of 100 cookies, 100. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 single cookies. So 1199 cookies are here. And this is how we can represent this number 1199. So 9 tens, 100s, and 1000s. How many cookies are here? Can you give the answer? So there are 2 stacks of thousands now. 1, 2. So 2000s. 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of hundreds. There is just 1 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. So 2317 cookies are here. So how to keep 3806 cookies in the cookie jars? So I see that there are 4 digits, 3806. Now this is 3000s. So 3 will go in the thousands place. 800s. 0 is in the tens place. And 6 will go in the ones place. So 3000s, 800s, 0 tens and 6 ones. This is how I can write the number 3806. So this 3 in the thousands place stands for 3000. This 8 in the hundreds place stands for 800. How to keep 7036 cookies in the cookie jars? So first we have 7. So 7 in the thousands place, 0 in the hundreds place, 3 in the tens place, and 6 in the ones place. So this is how I can keep 7036 cookies. And observe something. Hundreds, there is 0 in the hundreds place. So there are no hundreds or 0 hundreds in this number. Now can you answer this question? How to keep 9999 cookies in the cookie jars? So again, there is 9, 9000s. This 9 will go to the hundreds place. This 9 will go to the tens place. And this 9 will go to the ones place. So this is how I can store 9999 cookies in the cookie jars. And this is the maximum number of cookies, or this is the maximum number which can fit in these 4 digits. So this is the greatest 4-digit number we can have using the places ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.